Actually, we have another call that came in, so let's go ahead and put that caller through. This is from Lisa. Lisa up in Dothan. How's it going, Lisa? Lisa?
Yes.
Go ahead with your question. How you doing tonight?
Yes, my mother died in 2024, and she had a specific will about one house on 1 acre of land, and she wanted all of us to share that 1 acre of land, that one house on that 1 acre of land. I have two sisters. I have a sister and a brother that has a house on that acre of land, but that one specific house that my mom lived in, then she wanted us 7 to have that house, and the executor of the estate died before she did. But we do have like one executor that was to follow that executor, but she will not execute the will. What do we do?
Okay, so if I understood correctly, Lisa, the original person that was designated as the executor of the will has passed away, but you had a successor executor that has been named. And so that person is now the executor of the will, and their job, if they're named as the executor of the will, is to probate or put that will through probate and carry out the wishes of your mother that passed away. And it sounds to me like she wanted to give this house and this land to her kids. And that's what the executor should do. If the executor is not fulfilling their duties, then you can file an action. Now, you're up in Alabama, and so I am not admitted to practice law up in Alabama, but my sense is that if you were to contact an attorney that handles wills, trusts, estates, just like we talked about at the last call, there are remedies for if the executor is not doing what they're supposed to do, and it really is going to end up being a removal, and you're going to have another executor replaced that will carry out the wishes of the decedent. Now, once that property then goes to the kids, you all own it. You own it in equal shares. Now you can come up with, and you can do what's called a partition, to where people can buy other people out. Maybe you've got a desire that one person wants to have it, or 2 people want to have it and they want to split it. There's a mechanism for dividing that up and cashing out your interest. It's called a partition here in Florida. But again, those are the types of questions that you want to ask an attorney that practices in that area of the law up in Alabama that can help give you some direction. But it sounds to me like the first thing y'all need to do is this executor needs to do their job.
Yeah, that's, I was going to say, as long as everybody's on board, you can get the executor removed and then just get a new one appointed.
Exactly. Lisa, thank you for that call.